Well, hey, Devin and I have a really quick core and upper body workout. So if you have a couple minutes, join us. We're gonna do a plank, a 45-second plank 3 times, plus we're gonna do a combination of upper body work. If you don't have weights at home, use cans or jars or whatever you have to get the job done. And your own arms actually weigh something, so you could use your own body weight. Debbie, you ready to get started?
Yep.
Okay, we got our matching braids. We've got twin braids today. So we're gonna actually start with the plank, okay? So all you need is some weights or whatever you have, or your own body weight. Okay, let's go. All right, we're gonna get down and we're gonna do a high center plank. 45 seconds. Ready? Let's begin. Perfect. I'll come back a little bit so you can see Debbie's. All right, roll those shoulders back. Pull that tummy in nice and tight. Building a strong core, one day at a time. Debbie and I were already planking this morning with another challenge, so it's a good day, right, Deb? Yep. All right, we're almost there, Deb. 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come on up. All right, grab your weights or whatever you have to use. We're gonna do hammer biceps to overhead press. So hammers to your shoulders and press up. That's 1. We're gonna do 15 reps. Great for the upper body, keeping those biceps and shoulders strong. How you doing, Deb?
Good.
That's 5. And I'm sore from yesterday, but I'm working through it, like I always do. Woo. 8, try not to swing, okay? Don't swing in that bicep. Woo. You went a little bit higher on weight, right?
Yes. 4 pounds.
So Devin went up. She's using 12s because she wanted to be challenged. 2 more. You got this, Dev. 1 more. All right. Tricep kickbacks. So I'm going to show you a side view. I'm going to bend over. I'm going to bend my arms 90 degrees, and I'm going to extend back. Ready? 15. Let's go. So it's a lift, not a swing. You notice it's not a big range of motion, and I come right back to the starting position. Lift and lower. I want you squeezing those triceps on the extension. So Debbie, stop those weights right there, huh? Right on top of your legs. There you go. It's harder. We got this, come on. Strong muscles take work. 5 more, 5 more. 4. It's worth it though. 2. And 1. Weights down, time for another plank. All right. Here we go. Now you could go on your knees or on your forearms, okay? Let's go. Roll those shoulders back, tummy tight, hips nice and square to the floor. Building that core, Devs. Woo! How you guys doing out there? Gotta love a plank. So we will have done, Devin and I with the challenge, we will have done 3.5, maybe 4 minutes already. That's awesome, Dev. 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come on up. All right. We have another round. We're gonna do a bent over back row. We're gonna row it, and then we're gonna come up to a front raise. Okay, so let's grab our weights. You ready, Devs?
Yep.
All right, I'm gonna show you the side view and then I'll straighten up. So it's here, back row, up to a front raise. Ready? Let's go. Tip, back row, straighten, raise up. And again, back row, squeeze back, upper back, and raise up. Good. Think of that upper back when you're rowing. And the more you bend over, you're incorporating gravity into that work, which makes it harder. Woo! How you doing, Dev?
Good.
Awesome. That's it. This is 10. 11. That's it. 13. Come on, one more down, one more. All right, let's put one weight down. We're gonna get into our triceps a little bit more. We're gonna do a one-armed. So it looks like this. One arm up, and we're gonna take it over our head, just like that. If you need to get a lighter weight, get a lighter weight. Are you okay with that, Deb? All right, Deb's pushing it today. All right, so Debbie, right over your head like that, okay? Here we go, ready? 15. Right angle over your head and up. Good, just like this. Good. Tummy tight, use your core. That's it, come on, you can do it. Deb, you can get a lighter weight if you need.
I know, I'm struggling.
Get a lighter weight, I'll wait for you. We got 5 done. Listen, there's no shame in getting a lighter weight, okay? Form is everything with strength training. I don't want you to muscle through it and hurt yourself. I want you to use the proper weight. All right, good, Debs? Yep. We're on 6. Ready? Let's go. 6. 7. These are great for your triceps. Good, 5 more. Come on. 5. I always do the weaker arm first. It's okay, take a break, Debbie. 1 more. These are no joke. Those are no joke.
Yeah, what the crap?
Other arm. So this should be, my right arm's my stronger arm. I'm gonna end on that. Ready? 15. 1. That's it. How's that weight? Better?
Oh yeah.
Good. Control it down. You can take it right over your head to make it a little easier. Woo! You can go lighter if you need to.
Hard.
You want to take them lighter?
No.
Go lighter.
It's just hard.
They're hard. Take a break when you need to. So you build up that tricep strength. 5 more. 5. 4. 3. Good job, Deb. Take a break when you need. 1 more. 1 more. No, these are no joke. I should have put a warning label on those. Beware.
Yeah,
All right, we're down for another plank, so another 45-second plank. Our last one in this quick workout. All right, ready, Deb? Here we go. Settle in, nice long spine. And breathe. Don't stress your neck out by looking straight down, okay? We have 1 more round of upper body work. Just 2 exercises, 15 times. 15 seconds. Getting it done. Good job, Deb. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And you guys, just like with anything, one workout's not gonna make you like super strong. Like when you get this workout done, you're not gonna be like, I have a strong core and a strong upper body. I mean, you might, but it's consistency. It's doing it like several times a week. Now you could double this workout and make it double as long and double as hard. Okay, so keep that in mind. One more round. All right, W, grab those weights. So this is a hammer curl to an alternating press out. Getting into our chest a little bit, shoulders, hammer press. Now go easy on that elbow, okay? Don't snap it. Keep it in your muscles. And if you have too heavy of a weight, you're gonna wanna grab a lighter weight. You don't wanna overdo this. You don't want an injury. Press out and in. Good. We're getting it done, Debbie. Woo! That's it. Come on, 5 more, Deb.
Oh, these are hard.
These are hard. 5. A lot of times we're looking for different upper body moves. Here's a couple. One more, Deb. All right, shoulder roll. Devin's doing sound effects over here. All right, we're gonna end with some upright rows. Okay, so stand up nice and tall, feet under hips. We wanna practice good posture, and let's just roll up our body. Just like you're zippering up a coat. Keep it really close to your body. We wanna stop right at your chest. Don't come up too high, right? Awesome. Come on, 10 more. 10. How we doing? That's it. Come on, 6 more. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So Dad, how's your upper body feel?
Good.
Do you feel it like you turned it on?
Yes.
You gotta like a workout. Come here, babe. You gotta like a workout that you feel, right? You don't want to be done with the workout and be like, I'm good. I'm good. I mean, you do, but you want to feel worked, right? Devin's worked. She tells me all the time, I want to work more upper body. So, did that do it?
Yay!
All right, you guys, now go do it. Go get strong. Make good choices.